celebrating the changing of the season with some fantastic fall flavors that will be sure to spice up the fun at any gathering. Today, we'll be making Autumn Harvest Sangria, an adult beverage so delicious you'll forget that the Christmas decorations are already out and you'll let yourself indulge in all things autumn. Let's get started. The secret ingredient to this Harvest Sangria is the cinnamon simple syrup, but it needs to be prepared beforehand. All you'll need for this is water, sugar, and cinnamon sticks. Combine the sugar and the water, bring to a boil over high heat, and cook until the sugar dissolves and the liquid just starts to thicken. Carefully transfer the liquid to a heat-proof container, add the cinnamon sticks, and chill for at least 4 hours. For the sangria, you'll need 1 bottle of light-bodied Spanish wine, apple cider, pear or apple brandy, and that delightful cinnamon simple syrup. Sangria literally means a wine mixed with fruits and spices, so next up is the fresh fruit we'll be adding. You'll want a Honeycrisp apple and a green pear, both cored and chopped, half an orange quartered and sliced, and seeds from 1 pomegranate. Once your simple syrup is chilled and your fruit is prepared, it's time to put it all together. Combine all your ingredients in a glass pitcher so these beautiful colors and ingredients can be seen. Refrigerate your sangria for at least 4 hours or overnight. This will allow for these flavors to really develop. Now it's time to first pour yourself a glass and then share this Autumn Harvest Sangria with your friends. Enjoy everyone, and we'll see you next time for more Fresh Dish Foodie.